Hello, you lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prachi and I make videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle category. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notification every time I post a new video. So today's video is going to be about fashion mistakes to avoid. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the very first mistake that we often do is following the trends blindly. So we do not need to follow the trends blindly and do things that suits our personality, especially in clothing. If any piece has come in trend, you do not need to go rush and buy it. Just invest in classic pieces, classic and timeless pieces, so that your wardrobe is not filled with the clothes that you cannot wear and restyle it especially. So make sure to invest in classic and timeless pieces which you can restyle, rewear anytime, anywhere. Okay, moving on to the next mistake that we often do is wearing really ill-fitted clothes. So make sure you get to the store or wherever you buy your outfits from, go try the fit and try your perfect size and get that. And if you are somewhere uncomfortable about your body and you tend to wear really loose clothes so that you don't look chubby or something like that, that isn't is a thing. So make sure you get your size, not a size down, not a size up. Get your perfect size. Sizes are meant to be worn for you. You don't need to fit into the clothes need to fit into you. So make sure to keep this in your mind and get the clothes in your perfect size so that you look put together, because perfect size is really important to be worn. So make sure you wear your size and be confident on your own. Okay, so the next mistake that we often do is having chipped nails. So it looks really shabby when you're talking, you use your hands so much. So make sure to have a decent length of nail, whatever you are comfortable in. Don't go for again the trends or anything, because everyone has different work life. Some doesn't have any work to do, some do have, some has other business. It's completely subjective. So make sure to get a decent nail and keep them really polished. Either put on the nail paint completely or remove it completely. Don't have those chipped off nails, because that looks really shabby and it doesn't look really good. Make sure to have a good nails, get them manicured or do it at your home by your own self. File them properly if they are broken. Don't have those different nail lengths. Make sure they are all in same length and well polished so that you look good when you're talking and using your hands and fingers. So the next thing is something that we usually ignore and doesn't do. So unironed clothes. So this is really basic thing that we should follow. Always wear properly ironed clothes, because it can make or break your fit or the look. So make sure whenever you are wearing, firstly iron your outfit and wear it, because ironed clothes make you look really polished and put together. Don't go wearing those crushed or wrinkled shirts. Make sure to iron it properly before you wear it. Only wearing good clothes is not enough. You need to iron your clothes and keep them tidy as well. So keep your outfits well maintained. So before stepping out, make sure you iron your outfit first and then wear and step out, so that you look polished and good. Even the cheap outfit, if it is styled and ironed and put together and styled properly, it looks really expensive. So make sure to avoid these silly mistakes. Okay, moving on to the footwears. It's equally important to wear good quality footwears, and also it's really important to have them really clean and tidy, because it's truly said your footwear makes the first impression. We often think that nobody looks at our footwear, who is going to look at our footwear, but it's not true. The very first thing that is observed or seen in your whole look is your footwear. So make sure to wear good footwears. Invest in good pieces. For even for bottom wear and footwear, invest in good pieces. Have one or two pieces, but have good quality footwears, because if it is cheap, you can get shoe bites, you can not walk properly, you will not be comfortable walking in your footwear. So it's really important to invest in good quality footwears. Make sure to have one two, but have good quality and comfortable footwears. Just like the outfit and footwear, it's really and equally important to keep your hairs really well maintained. So you don't want your hairs to look messy while your outfit is completely well and put together. So make sure whenever you're stepping out, you do your hairs properly, whatever suits you or you are comfortable in. So make sure you do your hairs also properly, and with time to time get your hairs cut if required and styled in a particular way if you like cutting your hairs in particular way. Or there are tons of hairstyles available, you can try any easy or whatever suits you and you have time for your hairs in styling. Again, this is not related to the topic that we are talking about, but it's very important to have oral hygiene. So whenever you step out, your outfit, footwear, everything is second thing. Very first thing is your oral hygiene. So make sure to have good oral hygiene, brush your teeth, clean your tongue, and then step out so that you smell fresh. And if you're out, you ate something, have some mouth freshener so that you smell good. And when you're having conversation, nobody gives you that look. So make sure to maintain good oral hygiene as well. Moving on to the next thing, it is mismatched colors. Like you're wearing navy on top and then black on bottom, it's gonna look really bad. So make sure whenever you're combining your outfit, you go with good. For example, neutrals on top and dark on bottom. Don't go with all the dark or all the light. Keep a balance, not even for colors, also for patterns, textures. Keep a particular balance of everything so that your outfit doesn't speak too much, it's well balanced. So many times we forget what the climate is outside and what occasion we are styling ourselves for. So make sure if it is really hot, like right now it's really hot outside, so you go for some linen, cotton blend kind of fabric so that you don't feel really hot outside when you are doing your stuff or you're working or you're enjoying. So your whole concentration is not at the climate or the fabric that you're wearing. Don't wear so very thick fabrics in summer, and same for winters. Go with some good warm outfits, not very bulky warm outfits. Make sure it is thin but it keeps you cozy and warm for really long. And also sometimes we are just going for casual outing and somewhere, and we forget we are just going for casual outing, what's the occasion basically, and we end up wearing really heavy clothes. So make sure you focus what the climate and occasion is and dress accordingly. Also these days this has become really common, that is copying the influencer. So you are a different body type, that influencer that you're about to be copying is a different body type, and the same outfit that she is or he is wearing, it might not suit you. So make sure to keep that in your mind, that what body type you are, what you're gonna be copying. Also not about just body, the skin shade, the hair, the body, the height, everything can be different, because she's influencer, she might be showing it from the perfect angles, but in reality it might not be looking good on you as it is looking on her. So make sure you do not go and blindly copy and wear what influencers or content creators are wearing. Go find your style and wear accordingly. Also over accessorizing is good until it is looking good, otherwise it needs brain to over accessorize. So if you are not good at it, please make sure to play safe and don't go on with so many heavy jewelry and end up looking like clown. So make sure to wear and mix and match things, not even for accessorizing part, your footwear, your outfit, your hair, everything. And also makeup. These days it's not the era of wearing red lipstick with smoky eyes and all those. That looks really clownish these days. It's not the trend right now. So make sure you don't follow those old school makeup things. So follow the things that suits you and will look good on you. So make sure even in hair category or makeup, outfit, footwear, anything, style according to your body type and your liking. Don't run behind trends or fashion, have your own style, because style goes a long way, fashion fades. So keep that in your mind before buying any piece or doing any sort of fashion. Also the very last mistake that still people are doing in 2026 is wearing those really ill-fitted clothes, especially the bottom wear. Please don't wear those bottom wears which looks really bad from your crotch area. These are really silly things people have been teaching since a really long time. Still people are doing that. And also those skinny ankle length skinny jeans, they are still not gone, but styling them properly is really important. If it is ending at ankle, you need to wear something in footwear that balances the skinny fit at the bottom. So yeah, make sure to keep your styling game really up so that you look really good. So yeah, with that, here we come to the end of the video, and I hope you guys like this. And if you have any suggestion, please drop them in the comments. I would love to make such videos which you guys like, and I will see you in my next video next time. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.